Looking back over the past 16 years of Adwise, you can really say for sure, we've got something special here. We made friends, shared precious memories, stood shoulder to shoulder in our most vulnerable moments, and some of us even fell in love. Life was good until the pandemic raised its ugly head. We were challenged, explored new ways to digitally bypass the problems COVID brought us, empowered our colleagues and clients to keep businesses running, and found trust in a bright, sunny future. The world became digital. But the thing is, we already knew digital. So we never took our eyes off the ball, caught it before falling, and threw it right back into the game. It's time to reconnect and bring back offline into our digital lives. Because there's nothing like a good old real-life handshake, a pat on the back, and a toast with each other to bring back that real personal touch. We are Adwise, your digital brain.